all. Today we will discuss about the work done by the impeller. In this class we are going to derive expression for work done by the impeller, and this expression is derived from steady flow energy equation. So what is steady flow energy equation? U1 plus P1 V1 plus V1 square, that is kinetic energy, plus potential energy Z1 G plus W is equal to U2 plus P2 V2 plus Z2 G plus Q. Since the compression process is isentropic, so Q is equal to 0. Also datum is in the same line, Z2G, and also we know that U1 plus P1 V1 is equal to H1, and U2 plus P2 V2 is equal to H2. So the equation becomes H1 plus V1 square by 2 plus W equals H2 plus V2 square by 2. So the expression for work done, W is equal to H2 plus V2 square by 2 minus H1 plus V1 square by 2. So in the last class we had discussed about the stagnation enthalpy. So stagnation enthalpy at inlet is H01 is equal to H1 plus V1 square by 2, and H02 equals H2 plus V2 square by 2. So the above equation W is equal to H1 plus V2 square by 2 is equal to H2 plus V2 square by 2 is equal to H1 plus V1 square by 2 becomes W is equal to H02 minus H01. So also from thermodynamics, we know that H is equal to mCpT. So H01 is equal to mCp into T01, and H02 is equal to mCp into T02. So work input to the compressor, equation for work input to the compressor equals mCp T02 minus T01. So now we are taking for 1 kilogram work input to the compressor per kilogram is equal to Cp into T02 minus T01. So in terms of, we are writing the same equation in terms of static temperature. Work input to the compressor in terms of static temperature. So in terms of static temperature, the work input becomes mCp. Instead of stagnation temperature, we are writing here static temperature minus static temperature at outlet minus static temperature at inlet. This is the equation for work input to the compressor in terms of static temperature. So next, according to the thermodynamic relationship of perfect gas, again we are taking H01 is equal to Cp into T01 and H02 is equal to Cp into T02. We know that H01 equals H1 plus V1 square by 2 and H02 is equal to H2 plus V2 square by 2. So H01 becomes what? Cp T01 is equal to Cp T1 plus V1 square by 2 and H02 becomes Cp T02 equals Cp T1 plus Cp T2 plus V2 square by 2. Next, stagnation temperature and stagnation temperature T01 and T02 can be expressed for isentropic compression process. So T01 by, we are taking the relationship T01 by T1 is equal to P01 by P1 all raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma. So T01 is equal to, therefore from this equation T01 is equal to T1 into P01 by P1 all raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma, and T02 is equal to, similarly T02 is equal to P02 by P1. If you want any clarification, just see my last video. So T02 is equal to T2 into P02 divided by P1 all raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma. So dividing T02 by T01. So in the next slide I am going to divide T02 by T01. And becomes T02 is equal to, we know that T2 into P02 by P2 all raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma divided by T01 is equal to T1 into P01 by P1 all raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma. So the equation can be written as T2 by T1 into P02 by P01 to gamma minus 1 by gamma into P1 by P2 all raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma. Also we know that T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 all raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma. So substituting this equation here, So T02 by T0 T, this is T01 equals, instead of T2 by T1 we are substituting P2 by P1 all raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma. So P2 by P1 all raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma into P02 by 01 raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma into P1 by P2 all raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma. So the equation, this term and this term will be cancelled. So the final equation becomes T02 by T01 is equal to P02 by P01 all raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma. So work input to the compressor per kilogram of air, we have already derived that work input to the compressor, per kilogram of air is equal to, what is the equation? Cp into T02 minus T01. If we take T01 outside, T02 by T01 minus 1. So Cp into T01 into, what is T02 by T01 is P02 by P01 all raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma minus 1. So this is the equation for work input to the compressor per kilogram of air. So from this equation it is known that the stagnation temperature of air at inlet is at T01 and the pressure ratio is P02 by P01. So the work input to the compressor per kilogram of air depends upon the stagnation temperature at the inlet and the stagnation pressure ratio.